So this is our full-size silhouette. This is set up at 30 yards. It is 18 wide by 24 high, not including the head. And then I've got, at 50 yards, I've got this plate, just a 9-inch paper plate set up. And that's what we're going to be shooting today. So we'll shoot those two, 30 and 50, with the factory irons and see how that goes. The factory irons on this gun are very coarse. If you look, the rear sight is just a peep aperture, and it's a pretty wide one. It's pretty big. And the front is this high-vis bead, and it's quite wide. And the idea, I think, is very quick target acquisition on something that might want to eat you, not super precision. So we're going to shoot at the big silhouette and see, just what kind of group we get. And then we're going to put it on paper at 50 yards, trying to be accurate and see how that goes as well. So anyway, and the ammo we will be shooting is a 500 grain flat nose gas checked lead bullet. So this is a 500 grain bullet, and this is loaded over IMR 4198, 32 grains of 4198. So fairly stout load. So it's a lead flat nose with a gas check. So let's load it up and see how this goes. What's up, guys? It's Chris with Murphy Firearms Training. First shots with the Marlin 1895. Gonna give it a go. Already talked about our targets. Gonna let you guys see the recoil here with these 500 grain bullets. Gonna go ahead and load it up. Gonna probably drop, I don't know, we'll put 4 in. It holds 6. If you need 6 of these, I question what you're doing. And get our eye protection and hearing protection on. And first shots with this gun. Gonna shoot the silhouette first and see how that goes. See how these sights are. Wow, that is stout. Runs good from the shoulder though. Not as bad as I expected. Nice, very quick to get back on target, pretty easy to shoot. Let's try the paper plate and see what we get. Gonna put 4 on the paper plate, see where those go, how those shoot, and go from there. Should be fun. So, all right, let's get down and broke my block. That's funny. All right, we are clear. So here's the target I was aiming at. This is 50 yards out. This is a 9-inch paper plate. So 9-inch paper plate, which is the span of my hand. Aiming dead center. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got about an inch, I would say 1.5 group. 1.5 group. Maybe closer to 2 inches with iron sights at 50 yards. I mean, if you're shooting at even a deer size target, but certainly bear, moose, elk, big game, that's an acceptable group. Now, obviously, with these 500 grain hand loads, we're grouping low and to the left. So we really need to adjust those sights, I guess, if that's what we're going to be shooting. So, that's where we are. Low left at 50. So I'm going to try and ring some steel at 100. we're going to be shooting that circular target on the right that is at 100 yards. This is with the factory iron sights. I have not adjusted them. I'm going to use what I like to call Kentucky windage. So it shoots low left. I'm going to aim high right. The rear sight is adjustable for elevation and windage, and so I could adjust it. But we're just going to do some more shooting today and go from there. So anyway, shooting that circular target. Let me actually frame that up kind of center of your screen there. So we're shooting that circular target that's the right of the 3 circular targets. Higher. There you go. So and first shot went a little too low, and adjusted a little more from there. So even without adjusting the sights, you know, you can hit that target from 100 yards. So could these sights be used for hunting big game at moderate distances? And the answer is yes, absolutely. With a little range time, a little practice, absolutely. I would definitely adjust these sights up and to the right, and I may do that. I'm going to get some more trigger time with some other rounds. This is all I brought to the range today. So, you know, we'll see. But anyway, thought you guys would enjoy first shots with the Marlin 1895 SBL. It is a beautiful gun from Ruger. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. Please like and subscribe, guys. We appreciate your support.